Hello class 7. Today I am going to complete the chapter 12, and in this video I am going to start from the page number 51, from the second paragraph of page number 51. We had completed up to the first paragraph of page number 51, and we are going to start from the second paragraph. So please take out your book and turn to page number 51 and follow the video. So what we have seen, what we have noticed that when Michael Henchard returned back after meeting with Suzanne, he told some secrets. He actually expressed the secrets of his life to Donald Farfrae. On the other hand, we saw that Donald Farfrae was very genuine towards his work, and he informed Michael Henchard that he would definitely help him if required. So what was the problem? The problem was that Michael Henchard was involved in another relationship. He had another woman in his life, and though he told everything about his about that he had a wife, his child, and they were missing and they could come back in any time. So the girl did not have any problem. But at that time, Suzanne also returned back to Michael Henchard's life. So now what would he do? Which path Michael Henchard would follow? He was asking to Donald Farfrae. Please follow page number 51, second paragraph. The story was too complicated for the young Donald. Whatever decision Henchard took, he would disappoint one of the two women, though he wanted to be fair to both. So, it was really a very complicated and very difficult choice for Michael Henchard, and obviously for Donald Farfrae, because he was a very naive person. He was immature, and he was a young man. So it was really difficult to suggest any of it. So any woman, that means if he would suggest for anything good for Suzanne, so it would be bad. It would have a bad effect for that woman. That means another woman, the military daughter. And if he would think about the military daughter, so definitely Suzanne would hurt. So what to do and what not, both of them could not understand. But they wanted to be fair in case of both. Donald believed he should tell the young lady the truth about Suzanne's return and wish her well and discontinue the association. So Donald said that Donald believed also that it would be easier for Michael Henchard, that he would tell every truth to the lady, that means the military daughter, that his wife returned back and they wanted to continue their marriage, and so that is why for this reason Michael Henchard had to discontinue the relationship with the military girl. Henchard believed he would have to send her a tidy amount of money to compensate. Henchard also believed that he would have to give some money. Henchard was a very famous, and Henchard was very wealthy that time. So everything he wanted and he wanted to do, he had the idea that everything he could do with the help of money. So he had that in his mind, and that time also he told that he would give some money to that girl, to that military girl, after discontinuing their relationship. Since he was so bad at writing, he hoped David would be able to draft the letter for him. So since Michael Henchard was not very good in his writing, so he wanted to take help from Donald Farfrae. So he told that he would write a letter for that lady on behalf of Michael Henchard. Farfrae agreed. So Donald Farfrae agreed, and he told that okay, he would write a letter for that lady. Then Henchard told him about his daughter, who had not been told the truth about Suzanne's relationship with Henchard for the shame it involved. Acha. So Henchard then also he disclosed that he had a daughter. His name was Elizabeth, and he did not say anything and he about their past, and also he requested Suzanne not to tell anything to the daughter, because it was having a sense of shame in that incident, so they did not want to disclose it to their daughter. Henchard wondered whether she would to know the truth. Farfrae believed she should and that she would forgive him. So Henchard told that whether Elizabeth should know the fact. So Farfrae told that yes, she should know the fact, and it was his belief that after knowing the fact, after knowing everything, it's maybe and it's positively that Elizabeth would forgive Michael Henchard also. But Henchard would not hear of it. He would marry Susan again to keep things proper. So Henchard did not want to listen anything. He told that he would marry Susan again, and after marrying, then everything would be in proper place. Farfrae drafted the letter. Henchard was grateful he could continue in his new friend. So Farfrae drafted means he just untidily he wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. Henchard was grateful he could confide in his new friend. He told that Henchard actually was very much grateful to Donald Farfrae, who was his new friend, and he told that he believed him. He had a belief on him. Farfrae said he felt sorry for him and left for the day. And Farfrae told that he was really very sorry for all these problems of Michael Henchard's life, and after saying that, he left for the day. Henchard copied the letter. So Donald Farfrae he wrote a letter, and then from that letter he copied that means Michael Henchard copied that letter. And what happened then, before he posted it, he put in a check, and then before he posted this, he just put a check in it. He was not sure things with her would end so easily, but it was time to make it up to Suzanne. So he was sure, that means Michael Henchard sure, that these things would not end, these things would not get an end so easily. But he was sure that this time he would do something for Suzanne.